Good afternoon, rockers. We are somewhere quite lovely again. I mean, it seems to be the way with Ireland. Everywhere seems to be just amazing. It is still morning, Kit, you're right, or whoever shouted that. It is still morning. We have had a little ride up from Ennis to Loophead Lighthouse along the... Oh, my brain's gone dead. Some kind of peninsula. I want to say Shannon, but I don't think it was. It was something like that. I was paying attention, obviously. We're just stopping here for lunch for an hour before we continue our way along the coast road up towards Galway for our night stop. And we're hoping we've got a part waiting for us at Galway so that Adrian and Henry can give Kev's bike some love and get him back on the road with us tomorrow. Just want to say a massive thank you to the Market Bar and Restaurant in Ennis. What was it, Kirsty Nevis? 200 or what now? 250 something?
255 euros from the bar last night. Total for yesterday was...
Say it again, because you're on live.
Hi, everybody. My voice is back. I can annoy you. 255 euros from the Market Bar, which was the tips, and from the manager, her own donation. So the total raised for yesterday, just yesterday, was 322 euros and 15 cents.
That's pretty damn impressive for a single day, isn't it? But for those who didn't see my bonus live video last night, we went down about 10:30 to meet the manager of the Market Bar, well, the owner of the Market Bar, should I say. All of their staff donated whatever tips they had to ROC, which is an incredible thing to do. And I was kind of joking to her, saying that you did tell your staff that they're doing that, right? And then I don't rock up at 10:30 and then you go, yeah, can I have your tips, please, guys? And I get attacked by loads of angry waiters. But no, they're all on board with it and very happy to do so. So awesome people down there. If you're ever in Ennis, it's the only place you need to be worrying about eating is the Market Bar Restaurant. Get yourself down there. Anywhere else, you don't want to be there, do you? Don't make that mistake. Go to the right place, people. Did I hear my name? No. Yeah, so from here up to Galway, hopefully fix Kev's bike. Be a nice, beautiful coast road. I'm trying to see if I can actually see it from here because we should be able to. Possibly, well, you won't be able to see it because you haven't got a zoom on what you're watching. But beyond the power lines, there is kind of a very light hedge, and there's a coast road that runs behind that, and we're going to follow that all the way along the peninsula and straight up past the cliffs of Moher, and then up. I'm going to turn away a little bit because as a youngster, look at me for a minute, and then I'll show the lighthouse. Up to past the cliffs of Moher. We're not stopping there because they're being evil and charging everyone money for looking at it. Like 10 euros per bike is what we've been told by fellow bikers yesterday, so we're not going to bother that. We're just going to kind of look at it, and then further up the road I will find somewhere we can pull over for free and just look at the cliffs and look at the scenery, rather than pay 10 euros to try and park a bike. But okay, I'm in the clear now. So this is Loophead Lighthouse. I'm no tour guide, so I don't know the history, I don't know what it's all about. If you want to find out, then how about this for a suggestion? Come here, but en route, go via Ennis and have a meal at the Market Bar and Restaurant. I've heard it's pretty groovy. And when you've done that, then you can stay over at the Ardlane Guest House, because that's also pretty awesome. And then the next day, you can do what we've done, which is ride down to Loophead Lighthouse. All sounds great, doesn't it? Awesome meal, awesome accommodation, awesome lighthouse. And it looks like they have got coffee, despite Google saying they don't have coffee. Cheers, Google. I sent these Tesco's and we didn't really need to. But hey ho, I'm going to go have a coffee. Before I do, I've got Donna here. How you doing, Donna?
Coffee, and I've just been up to the top of the
move
lighthouse.
that way because then I can see her. There we go.
They have coffee, and I've just been up to the top of the lighthouse to take a photo with
Google said they don't, and it's shut. How annoying! You pay 7 euros, got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't doing that. I don't think. I think it's the same sort. If you'd have told us that, we could have positioned the rockers and had a photo of you at the top. That would have been nice. You are whole Donna?
Yep.
How's it going so far? Make sure I've got you in. We are still there. We just had a slight technical issue. We'll try that again. So Donna, you are whole hogging this time.
Yep.
How's it going?
Really good.
No major issues yet, or?
No, not on the Rebel. It's an absolute dream to ride.
Yeah, of course, because this is a, not a hyper, what's the word?
Courtesy
bike. So is it difficult to get used to, or are you just acing it?
No, it's much easier than Sonic. I think some of them hills would have killed me on Sonic, but that's a doddle.
So what are you thinking now then, replacement bike? The Rebel, or?
Yeah. Rebel or Bolt?
Rebel or a Bolt? Well, there's only one answer now. I love the Rebel, but it's got to be a Bolt, hasn't it? Yeah, okay, cool. I'll tell you what then, as we're sort of still live, we've got quite a few people watching this actually. I can't see the screen because of the sun, and if I'm squinting, I'm not angry at you, it's just the sun. I'm trying to see some names. Hey, Paul says hi, by the way, Donna. I can now say it. Hey, Mum, can Weavers do a fifth? What? You really are worried about his health, aren't you, Mum? Trust me, that dude is ripped. He's like a mini packaged up Arnold Schwarzenegger. But what I should say is there is no like demand on Weavers. It was a joke. Kind of thought, you know, he'd do one or two, it'd be a bit of a giggle. But he is actually taking it really seriously now, which is really impressive. I mean, I thought, you know, one-off joke, yeah, he's going to do it. But no, he's actually doing it. And what he's doing is he's filming himself doing these push-ups in scenic locations. And then I will edit them all together. But you can trust me. I mean, there's like 350 push-ups today alone that he would have to have done, or yesterday that he'd have to have done. But he's doing all that, he's cutting them all up, and he is doing them at scenic locations. He's doing like Baxter to 50 or something. But fair play to the dude, because I said I was just joking. I didn't expect him to actually do it. Maybe he's just scared of me, I don't know. But yeah, what a man. So yeah, don't worry, Mum, he is okay. We're not killing our Weavers. He's perfectly fine. And he's loving the attention, and he's loving the fact that he can show off with how strong he is. Okay, so that's enough about Weavers, because he'll get an even bigger head, because he's a pretty boy as it is, and he's full of muscles, and I hate him. So here's a Lighthouse instead of Weavers. Sorry, Weavers. Oh, look at the scenic walk by. Come on, give it some. Oh, style. That's the only way to walk past a lighthouse, that is. Well, I'm no tour guide. I don't know the history, but I can tell you it's definitely a lighthouse, because there's like a light in it, and it's an house. And it's the traditional shape, innit? See how good I am at this tour guide stuff. I can lead them up. Oh, there's toilets down there as well, that's useful. I don't know why I just said that on live Facebook. But it's weird, because like, when you plan these trips, most places say we've got parking, we've got toilets, we've got this, we've got that. This place, it didn't say it had anything. But there is like a lot of really cool stuff here. So if you've got a family, then yeah, why not? Oh, well, hang on, consider a view over this wall. To be fair, you pay me as a tour guide, wouldn't you? 'Cause it's amusing. The only downside is the midges right now are evil. And I didn't sleep a wink the night, well, I don't know where I am anymore. At the, where was it? Oh, somewhere we were. I can't remember, I think it was Killarney. I didn't sleep at all that night because I was attacked by midges, and basically I was one big bite. There was no gaps. And I felt like I was on fire. So I tried my best to get to sleep, and then I gave up at about, I don't know, 1:30 in the morning. And then I just sat in their little loungy bit and started looking at the planning for the next rock run. So yesterday's ride was really tough because I just didn't get any sleep basically. But last night the Idle Lane Guest House was the business. I tell you what, really awesome, really great rooms, really lovely chap that runs it, and ample parking as well for the bike. So it was absolutely perfect. All right, I've had quite a long one on this one now, and you're probably getting sick of me. Before I go though, I'm making my way back to the Rockers. So I thought I would just grab those whom I know have family that have been asking about them. And not the others don't care about their family or anything, but you know. Sarah was a bit worried because obviously Nathan's been away from the kids, and I know he's feeling it a little bit. I mean, he's a big macho manly man anyway. He won't let on that he's missing everyone, but I'm sure he is. So I'll go and grab the Murphys. See, I've not done sport for months because of a busted up foot. What right now? Check in with Sarah.
Hey Sass.
And if there's anyone else that you love, you can say hello. It's your moment of fame.
Yes. Love you all.
Whoever you are, all of you.
Yeah, love you.
Well, I'll put you on the spot now. We're on day 5, I think. Favourite moment so far?
All of it. Yeah, it's all been great. It's all been great.
Pre-sleep was amazing.
Yeah, pre-sleep. What happened? Promise pass.
I think most have said that day. Pre-sleep, Healy Pass.
Scary.
Yeah, but a lot of fun.
It was very good.
A lot of fun. I can still tell how to do that bit again. It was amazing. But you having a good time?
Awesome.
Awesome. Sweet. So the first one I asked doesn't hate me, so that's a good start. Just popping to see Henry here, because he's pretty boy number 2. Yeah, sorry, we was beat you too, mate. Sorry, yeah. Not Michael. He is, isn't he? He's annoying with all those muscles as well, didn't they? Push-ups. I think what we could do is if you and I just do one, then I'll edit it and repeat the footage, and it looks like we're doing like
one of us
millions.
Wow.
Yeah, and they'll be like, "Who's this Weavers bloke?" Anyway, how are you doing, man? You good?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Because you're a big fan of these rocky, dangerous roads, anyway.
Yeah,
You've had a few.
Yeah, no.
Favourite moment so far?
think probably the passes, to be honest.
Yeah.
What was that? Not Donegal.
Dunlow.
Dunlow.
Yeah, but on your little Husqvarna, you've been throwing that around there quite
Yeah, no, it
easily.
scampers up. Yeah.
How is the chain?
Yeah, no, it's good.
It's holding up,
sat
yeah?
on it, it's tight, so it's fine.
Because Henry made me chuckle, right? He said, yeah, I've got a bit of a loose chain. I was like, oh, God, that'll hurt if it pings off. He said, yeah, it won't be the chain that pings off. The whole bike will ping off. And he said it so casually, like, you know what, I don't care. It'll be fine. I'll just get up again and repair it, which you probably would.
Yeah, get it going again. We
Awesome.
can fix Kev's bike, we can fix anything.
That's going to happen tonight, hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully we'll get that done tonight. Who was the other person that I wanted to find? We'll grab Kev. He's minus his Pikachu right now. How you doing, brother? Full mouth. I'm going to keep asking you questions. Don't swallow. Damn it! I wanted you to keep your mouth full. Shove more in there. You've got to ask these questions with your mouth full.
Fine, brilliant, lovely day again.
Are you looking forward to getting back on your bike?
Oh, definitely.
You sure?
Yes, definitely.
Because you're saying
Man,
that-
you, I'm enjoyed.
Well, that's what I mean. You're saying yes, but your face is saying,
Oh.
I've got to do the hard work, haven't I? Do you know what I mean?
No, I got to be done, mate.
Adrian, I know you don't like the camera, mate, but how are you?
I'm right, and you're right, I don't like the camera.
I know you don't like the camera, so I'm going to keep it here for as long as I'm brave enough. Favourite part so far of the trip?
Meeting me.
Pre-sleep, I'd say.
Yeah, everyone's saying pre-slept. I mean, yeah, it's not pre-slept, so I have to apologise for ruining that. It is pre-sleep. Paul,
Hello, mate.
how are you doing, dude?
Oh, beautiful. Fantastic.
You've not done Ireland, have you, before? Am I right in
Yes.
saying that? Yeah.
I've done it.
You have done it?
Yeah.
Not the bits that we've done?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah, I've
Oh, I
done
ain't talking to you then.
I don't remember. I was just saying, I don't remember any of it. It's a long time ago. Yeah.
You didn't have a
But it's,
passenger.
if you,
No, that's
the
true.
best part is that the first ride we ride around, the first part, what's
Yeah.
it called? The Island of, ride of,
The Ring of Kerry? Or the
one before,
Ring of Berra?
Ring of Bear. I thought that was really good.
Yeah, that was nice, actually,
Yeah.
yeah. So it's good that we're getting different people's...
Kerry's ring was good, wasn't it? Kerry's ring was good. Me and that.
The silence around it just makes us mad, doesn't it? We're all just staring at him off camera now, and he's like, what have I done? But yeah, it's really nice. Everyone's kind of saying different things as well, which means all these days have been pretty cool. And we'll come and grab Mr. Cool, Rocker Mr. Cool. How are you doing, dude?
Awesome, mate.
You got a favourite part so far?
All of it.
Yeah, see, that's the best answer, isn't it? That's what the Murphys copped out with as well. And then Mr. O'Shea. Thank God, mate. No surprise ferries so far.
I know.
Are you a bit disappointed?
I am a little bit.
Because it was a great memory, that, wasn't it?
It was.
You just glared at me through your helmet on that
I
boat.
like a little mess up from time to time.
Yeah, well, we may have had a few of those, but
Yep.
you know. Favourite bit so far?
Gap of Dunlow.
Yeah, I
Definitely,
second
without
that.
a doubt.
Definitely
That's like a
second
bit of
that.
horse poo.
All right, and lastly, because I'll grab what I've not grabbed tomorrow. So last one for today, Mr. Jaimes.
Hello.
How's van life?
Van life is good life, man. It's good. Later. Van life is good life. I get to follow all these wonderful motorbikes, and when the gentleman who's just gone past is at the back and revs, it's a bit like.
Yeah, you want that bike, don't you? You want that
I
bike.
want necessarily want the bike. I want an amalgamation of about 3 or 4 of the bikes, to be honest with you.
So basically, you're going to start building your own bike.
No, I've got to find someone to build a bike. I've got to get my license as well. It's got to happen. Definitely
got-
got. Yeah, happy
He's
with
watching.
back in. And she's really good at finding things to losing things. We'll be driving along and suddenly, oh my god, where's the GoPro? And she's like, it's here. And then, where's my vape? It's here. So yeah, she's very good. She's good at, she's a good DJ as well.
Well, so she makes sure that I mostly remember stuff when I leave the house. Without her, I'd probably be trying to walk this spot on a motorbike.
Walk on a
You know,
motorbike
so,
isn't
yeah.
good. Awesome, dude. I'll carry on taking
All right,
pictures anyway.
thank you. Okay, so that's it from us then. We're going to finish our lunch off in a bit and head up towards Galway via that amazing coast, and as I said, the cliffs of Moher as well. All right, stay safe, stay awesome, and please keep sharing our campaign page. Please donate if you have not done so already, and keep following us on all our social medias. Give us a reshare, a retweet, and a share where appropriate. Stay safe, stay awesome.
Donate. Okay, donate.
No, we're not Jorge donate. Unless you want to, Jorge. But yes, in true Jorge fashion.
Please donate.